The Highwings 8K Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable is a game-changer for anyone seeking an immersive entertainment and gaming experience. With its cutting-edge technology, this cable offers exceptional performance and a host of features that will elevate your home theater setup. One of the standout features is its compatibility with 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, ensuring crystal clear and smooth visuals. Every detail is displayed with precision, from the tiniest particles to the most intricate signal sources. This cable truly brings your favorite movies, shows, and games to life. The Highwings HDMI cable revolutionizes your viewing experience with its impressive 48 gigabits per second, 6 gigabytes S bandwidth. Say goodbye to frustrating lags and dropped frames during intense gaming sessions or high-definition video streaming. It also maintains backward compatibility with older HDMI versions, making it a versatile choice for various devices. Gamers, rejoice! This cable is specifically designed to enhance your gaming adventures. Achieve an incredibly smooth and detailed picture with 4K at 120 Hz, and take advantage of the latest game mode that supports variable refresh rates. Maximize the potential of your graphics card and CPU, resulting in an unparalleled gaming experience with reduced input lag and stunning visuals. In terms of build quality, Highwings has outdone itself. This HDMI cable features a classic and durable design with an anti-bending tail upgrade, ensuring long-lasting performance. The military-grade tensile nylon material adds an extra layer of protection, making it highly resistant to wear and tear. Whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or simply looking for an upgrade, the Highwings 8K Ultra High-Speed HDMI cable is an excellent choice. Its combination of top-notch technology, seamless performance, and durable construction makes it a must-have accessory for any home entertainment setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.